Hello everyone and welcome back to the Hitch House. Today we are checking out an amazing A-Class gas motorhome from Thor Motor Coach, the 2020 Challenger 37YT, one of the most spacious floor plans you'll find in a motorhome. All 2020 Challengers are built on a Ford chassis. This one comes outfitted with the Ford F53 version and is powered by a Ford V10 Triton engine. Check out that paint job. A full paint finish comes standard on all Thor Challengers. This Challenger also comes packed with plenty of storage for you to keep all your adventure gear. And as we've mentioned in prior videos, please refrain from putting spouses or children in the underside storage compartments. This Challenger also comes with 3 slide outs, one massive full wall slide on the passenger side and 2 on the driver's side. Other exterior features on this Challenger include an exterior entertainment system with Bluetooth soundbar so you can watch a movie under the stars, a 5.5 kilowatt Onan generator, 1800 watt inverter, and power awnings. As you head into the Challenger 37YT, you will be wowed by the stunning kitchen area. Full of room to cook and packed with all the amenities of home, like solid surface countertops, stainless steel sink, cooktop, convection oven microwave combo, and a residential fridge by Whirlpool. In the master bedroom, there is tons of high gloss cabinetry that gives you attractive areas to store your belongings. An LED TV to watch the morning news or catch a flick before bed. Across from the bed, you will also find tons of storage behind the mirrored hardwood cabinetry. Plus, a king-size pillow-top adjustable mattress that makes it easy to get some shut-eye, even in those busy campgrounds. Connected to the bedroom is one of the biggest bathrooms you will find in a gas motorhome. A huge mirrored vanity sits above his and hers dual sinks. More storage than you could ever want in a bathroom on the road, and an amazing stand-up shower with skylight and adjustable shower head. Heading to the front of the coach, we stop in the main dining and living area, which includes an awesome Euro dinette sleeper combo, providing you with extra room for guests. And across, you will find a super comfortable sectional couch that pulls out into a large sleeping area. Above the cab is a power drop-down bunk that provides this Challenger with even more sleeping options, without sacrificing floor space. With safety netting, the drop-down bunk is also a perfect spot to put the kids and grandkids for a great night's sleep. In the cab area, you will find extremely comfortable captain's chairs, a 10-inch touchscreen dash radio with Bluetooth, navigation, and of course, backup monitor. If you liked this video and would like to learn more about the 2020 Challenger 37YT or any of our other models, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-378-7118 to schedule an in-person walkthrough or to schedule a virtual appointment with one of our Motorhome Specialists. Stay safe, everyone, and we look forward to seeing you soon.